Containers are isolated by design. So how can two services share the same files? The key is to mount the same volume in both containers using the -v flag. For example, run container A with -v shared data :/data. That creates and mounts a named volume called shared data. Then run container B with the exact same -v flag. Docker maps both containers to the same file system path. The --mount flag does the same thing with more explicit syntax. In Docker Compose, you declare the volume in a top-level volumes section, then reference it under each service's volumes key. Compose handles creation automatically, and both services share the volume without extra commands. This is the preferred approach for multi-container apps. It's clean, declarative, and easy to version control. Since both containers mount the same file system path, writes are immediately visible across containers. There's no syncing or copying involved. Think of it like two processes sharing a directory on the same machine. This makes shared volumes ideal for log aggregation, shared configs, or data handoffs between services. One important caveat: if both containers write to the same file simultaneously, you risk data corruption. Coordinate writes carefully, or designate a single container as the writer. To share a volume between containers, use the same volume name in the -v flag or compose volumes section. And watch out for concurrent writes. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.